Guys, I recently came across this Cointelegraph article mentioning that Bitcoin price slips 3% as US macro data compounds inflation problem. Now let's just go to coin market cap, and here you see Bitcoin is above 70,000 US dollars. So to be accurate, it's at 70,566, and over the past 24 hours the price has actually slipped down to 3.25%. That's concerning. So let's open it up to see more. So for the 7-day, the chart looks something like this, quite consistently moving upwards, but now you see a sudden drop here at this point. However, on the bright side, what I have to show is that over the 7-day period it's up by 4.56%. So what is this article actually saying? So it mentions that the BTC price strength wobbles on the release of the problematic US inflation data as traders brush off Bitcoin's moves around all-time highs. So you see, the problem is the inflation data that was released. And if you see this trading chart, it corresponds to what we saw on CoinMarketCap. This is the dip that we are talking about, and I believe that around this point this inflation data report must have came out. And it's also worth mentioning here that BTC's all-time high has been 71,200, so it's still not too far from this certain point. However, we need to keep an eye on the developments. So the article mentions that US producer price index numbers for February appeared not to help the matters, this coming in above expectations to underscore the persistent nature of elevated inflation. Now this 3.3% drop also is attributed to the jobless claims and the consumer price index print from the 2 days prior, and this has led to reinforcing a problematic landscape for the Federal Reserve. And that's why we are also seeing a dip in the cryptocurrency space as well. You see, it's in times like these when people want to hold on to their money, and if you see over here, these are the people that have actually taken out money from the market. But if you are a long-term believer of Bitcoin, you need to hold on to it. However, if you believe that you need cash in these desperate times, well then it surely makes sense to take money out of BTC. However, on the long term, if you are invested in BTC, it's going to prove valuable. Now that's it for this quick update video, and hopefully we'll see each other again in the next one with more updates.